5 top mistakes parents make and how to fix them. Do you want your child to be raised emotionally sound, physically balanced, spiritually balanced, psychologically safe? Then you must stop making these 5 mistakes. Number one, yelling instead of responding calmly. Reacting with anger or raised voice when a child misbehaves is emotional. It's hot because it shuts down the communication, triggers fear or defiance, and teaches kids to respond to stress with aggression. You must fix it by taking a deep breath and pause before responding. Use a calm yet compelling tone. Say, I'm here to help you and I'm here to support you. Number two mistake, not actively listening to your child. When you interrupt your child every time they talk, your child feels unheard and the emotions feels not valid. So why it's hot is because children feel unheard or invalidated. You must fix it by getting to their eye level, make eye contact, and say, I'm here to support you. Validate their emotions. Let them know that their emotions are valid. Number three, over talking or lecturing. Giving long explanations, lectures, or repeating instructions is one thing your child hates. It's hard because kids zone out or become defensive instead of understanding the point. So be brief and clear. Use simple age appropriate phrases. Replace lectures with problem solving skills and tools that can help your child. Number four, using shame or labels. Saying things like you are lazy or why can't you get it once and for all. It's hurt because it damages self-esteem of the child and their identity, and then it creates resentment. So fix it by focusing on the behavior, not the child's identity. Say things like leaving your books everywhere makes it hard to find things. Let's find a better system. And then number five, ignoring emotional cues. The mistake here is overlooking non-verbal signs like sadness, anxiety, or frustration. It hurts your child because missed opportunities for connection and emotional coaching is not available. It hurts because you allow them mixed opportunity for connection and emotional coaching. So you fix this by observing their body language and their tone. Ask them open-ended questions. You seem upset, I can see this. How can we fix this? Do you want to talk about it? And then your child talks. So always connect before you correct. A child you don't connect with, you cannot correct effectively. When a child feels understood and safe, they are more open to learning, growth, and behavior change. If this video resonates with you, share with another intentional parent. I'll catch you some other time. Bye.